Hello, everyone. Such honor to be part of the fourth International Kurdish Study Conference that organized by University of Kurdistan-Hewlêr. Kagbayar, John Roche, Ms. Nazand, and Amir Chali. Congrats for the great work. Ms. Minister Ban Sami Abdurrahman, Mr. Simon, and Peter Abdulvan Barwari, I will be happy to hear from you. Please, I do my apology as I'm abroad and due my academic calendar, I could not make it to be there in person. Hopefully, I see you in a future event. The participants, you're most welcome. At the end, we believe NATO could play a huge role to protect the Kurdistan region of national security based in a military dimension and plus the governance dimension, a legal framework, strengthening the law, perhaps recognize the Yazidi genocide globally and help to establish international tribunals and codify the international crimes in a Kurdistan region legal framework to prevent the future genocide against the Kurds and also strengthening and enacting the policy, the security strategy, and this one also require perhaps defeating the terrorism internationally require a lot of effort, as we do believe that military, legal, law, diplomatic, economic, and so. Again, I hope I delivered very well. And please, I do my apology again. I will be happy to answer any further question from the participant as I will be online in a due day of the conference. And I hope I will see you in a future event in a person and you have my respect and space.